How to make money fast and how to make $2,000 in the next day. There are many ways to make some extra money, and $2,000 is not a small amount of money to make quickly. If you really need around $2,000 in the next day and are serious about this, maybe reading this article will open your mind up and give you some ideas. One idea is to buy a car cheap and resell it for its regular price. Say you found a guy selling a car because he just bought a brand new car and just wants to get rid of the old vehicle to free up the garage space. This sort of seller really couldn't care less what he gets for the car, and it may actually be worth $3,000 and you get it for just $900 or something. Just give it a really good clean and scrub it so it sparkles in the sun, then put it up for sale. You will be amazed how well a car comes up after it has been detailed with effort. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Another idea might be to buy a full page in your local paper. This page may cost say $500, but to buy a quarter page costs $300. This type of pricing you will find typically in tabloids, where the larger your space purchase, the deeper your discount, and that is where the profit is. Now all you have to do is approach business owners and explain you are selling quarter-page ads every week for $250, a full $50 cheaper than they can get it for from the paper directly. It is a simple way to make a passive income, and you could expand it as much as you like into 4 or 7 pages or reduce it on slow weeks. Another idea is to go to the local garbage dump and raid it for treasures. It is amazing, you will find stereos and working TVs and lounge furniture in good order. Just get it home and clean it up and approach the second-hand dealers in your area and sell it at a low price. You got it for free anyway. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.